what do we take home from this beautiful 4 or 5 verses in the Qur'an? Labor is painful. Labor is stressful. But Allah makes it easy. Sayyidah Maryam was alone. There was no physician. There was no labor rule. There was no nurses. There was no support. No husband. Nobody. But Allah made it easy. So for every woman here who's inshallah going to go to labor soon, or you just found out you're pregnant, don't worry. Allah will make things easy. Number 1. Number 2, take the means to make the things easy. As Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said, shake the palm tree. Whatever makes things easy, do it. But don't depend on these things. Depend on Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that He will make these things work, subhanah. And then always think, this is a ni'mah, this is a blessing, this is an amazing process, subhanallah.